Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the ratio of a video in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our project. Here we can select one that we want to work on. And then by scrolling in the bottom bar, we find the ratio button, and if we tap on it, it opens up a few options from which we can select the one that we want to use. Let's say we want to create a video for Instagram. We select the Instagram ratio, and then it is going to frame the video in a way that it is best suited for Instagram. Same way we can select sizes for YouTube, for TikTok, and other ratios as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.